Yeah, hi Stuart, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that here's your laser, and it's all working as it should be now. I've changed the board on this one, and it's all working as it should be. You've got a new laser in there as well, obviously. Just turn the volume up. There you go. Yeah, so basically you had a bad board. I've changed the board for you, and I will send your board back. And this is your board there. And I've put on there not working, jukebox dead. So I will send that back to you as well. So it's all working. You've got 6 month parts and warranty on that. So any problems, just give us a shout. So thank you very much.